Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel here, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to enable WSL or Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows 11. So starting with method 1. In this case, we will right click on the start button and select terminal admin. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. When the terminal app opens to Windows PowerShell, paste this command from the video description and press the enter key. This command lists all the distros for Linux and the default distro is Ubuntu. Now in order to install the specific distribution of Linux, you can use the next command, which is also suggested here. You have to just substitute the name of distro you want to install. So I have copied that command and pasted it here. Now in the place of distro, I will substitute the name of the distribution I want. So in this case, I am installing Ubuntu. You can choose any other distribution if you like and press the enter key. After completing the command, you can see that the virtual machine platform is now being installed and it is installed in few moments. Then it is now installing Windows Subsystem for Linux. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. Let this complete it to 100%. And next it is now installing Ubuntu, which we selected in the previous command. Let this complete it to 100% as well. So after a few moments, finally you can see that it has been completed to 100% and the Ubuntu has been installed. The requested operation is successful. Changes will not be effective until the system is rebooted. So all you need to do is just close this Windows PowerShell and restart your system. Simply right click on the start button and select restart. While doing a restart, you will see that updates are underway. This means the Ubuntu feature is being added to the system along with Windows Subsystem for Linux. So after restart and signing into the system, we are now back to the desktop. And if I open start menu, here you can see that Ubuntu is in the list of recently added along with Windows Subsystem for Linux. So both of them are installed now. So this was our method 1. Next we will see method 2, the alternative method for this. So if you do not want to install Windows Subsystem for Linux using commands, then you can use the GUI, and for that you have to first search for features and select turn Windows features on or off. Click open. Now in this window, scroll down and locate virtual machine platform and make sure it is enabled. So virtual machine platform is enabled. Also locate Windows Subsystem for Linux and make sure it is enabled as well. Once you enable both of them, you might have to restart the system. Just do that, and after restarting the system, open the Microsoft Store app. Now in the search bar, you can search for the specific distribution of Linux. So in case if you search Ubuntu, you will see the search result for that. Here you can see that the Ubuntu search result is here. I have already installed it. That's why I have open button. In a similar way, you can also search for any other Linux distribution and install it. So this was method 2. That's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.